Most PowerPoint slides show everything at once. This one reveals information only when the user clicks. Today, I'll teach you how to create an interactive accordion system in PowerPoint. Let's build it step by step. First, I go to Insert tab, choose Rounded Rectangle and draw it right here. Using the yellow control handle and soften the corners to get a modern UI style shape. From the Shape Format tab, I adjust the size, change the fill color to a dark purple and remove the outline. Next, I insert the plus shape. Draw it on the right side. Change its color to yellow and again remove the outline. Now select the both shapes, right-click and group them. After that, by clicking this small arrow, open the Format Shape panel, go to Effects and add a shadow. I increase both the distance and the blur to give it more depth. Then, while holding Ctrl, drag the group downward to duplicate it. After selecting all accordion headers, go to the Shape Format, Align, and Distribute it vertically. Finally, type your section titles inside the rectangles. At this point, we've created the backbone of our interactive slide. To build the underlying accordion layer, copy and paste these three groups. Change their background color from purple to yellow, and their text color from yellow to purple. Basically, flipping the color logic. Then press Ctrl-Shift-G to ungroup them and remove the plus icons completely. Next, replace the text inside each rectangle with the detail contents for each section. After that, select all three and perfectly align them behind the original accordion headers. From Format Shape, open the selection pane and move these three behind the other layers. Next, duplicate the first slide 3 times. On slide 2, open the first accordion by adjusting the space between shapes. Bring underlying layer down, enlarge it, and adjusting the corners. After that, increase the space between text. From Home tab, choose this one. Now repeat the same process for the next 2 slides. Each slide opens a different accordion section. The structure works. Let's add some details. Add your main title to all 4 slides. Then from Insert, Pictures, add the image you want. Resize it and send it behind all the layers using the selection pane. Repeat this process for the next slide as well. Honestly, it's better to do this before duplicating the slides. I forget. So yeah, learn from my mistake. Now comes the part that turns this into a real interactive PowerPoint. Insert a rectangle that covers entire slide from Insert tab, Shape. Then from this menu, remove both fill and outline. From Insert, Action Tools, under Mouse click, choose Hyperlink to slide 1. Now to control each accordion separately, add transparent rectangle on top of each accordion header. Again, no fill, no outline. From each one, I go to Insert, Action, and Mouse click, and link it to the corresponding slide. Then duplicate these invisible buttons, place them on the next accordion headers. Then just change the target slides. Finally, copy all these action shapes and paste them onto the other slides, adjusting them as needed. Now, every click opens exactly the accordion section we want. And finally, the last part. Select all slide, go to the Transition tab, and choose Morph. That's it. No extra animations. Just clean, professional motion. A fully interactive accordion slider in PowerPoint. Perfect for explaining complex topics like the future of jobs in AI, step by step. If you want more advanced PowerPoint techniques, interactive slide systems, and smart presentation design ideas, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Every week, I shared practical PowerPoint tricks that actually level up your presentation, not just make them look pretty. Next week, next trick.